What's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a little bit different, and let me tell you why. So today I'm going to be making a video about how I create my videos here on YouTube. Also guys, I just started a second channel. It is called Other Collin. The link is in the description. I also have a podcast, anchor.fm/Collin's Tech Talk. Alright guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So the first thing when it comes to making any type of video, we need equipment. So first let's talk about the camera. The camera I personally use is the Panasonic Lumix G7. It is one of the best cameras out in the market. It recently did get discontinued by Panasonic. It shoots 4K 30 frames per second, so if you're looking for a nice camera that shoots 4K 30 frames per second and you're not willing to spend that much, this is honestly perfect. But this camera is about $400, I'm pretty sure. The microphone I use, and that is the Rode Video Mic Go. It is the little tiny one. It comes with the little wind deflector, and it's honestly great because you don't need batteries. It just sucks the juice out of your camera battery, and you don't have to sync audio. It's just all in one place, which is a lifesaver because I don't want to sync audio every single time I make a YouTube video. With cameras and stuff, you're going to need something to hold the camera, so my personal two favorite tripods are the Manfrotto little baby tripods. They're such good quality. You can press down the little red thing and turn around whatever you need. I usually use this for vlogging and Osmo Action, which we'll get into a little bit later. But the main one I use is this Silk 700D something. I don't know. It's something my dad had and I needed a tripod. He's like, we have one in the basement. So this is the one we had in the basement. It's great. I think it is discontinued now, so that's kind of sad, but yeah, that's the tripod I have in case you want to get it off of like eBay or something. Action. It is a tiny little camera that just like you can take underwater, and it's really fun just to play around with. It's also great for making YouTube videos. Here's an example shot for it. When it comes to filming, all I really do is just sit my camera down on a tripod. I record this part. Before I do that, I like to record my B-roll, and I just plan on my B-roll out, like what do I want to get with the B-roll, what do I have accomplished, and I kind of just get my shot ideas as I'm doing the B-roll. Do anything else for B-roll is just a nice camera movement, and I don't have a stabilizer whatsoever, so I just press the stabilization button inside Final Cut Pro, which it works. It's good enough. I don't need to spend $300 on a stabilizer. Next, let's talk about editing. Editing is my favorite thing to do, and I just love editing. I could do it for days, hours at a time. Personal editing software that I use is Final Cut Pro X, and I just got a MacBook Pro to edit on, and I'm really excited about that. It is so fast compared to my MacBook Air that I had, which is now my dad's. So Final Cut Pro is basically a step-up version of iMovie. It is $300 on the App Store, and I bought it myself. It's great. I do not regret it whatsoever. You can have plugins and stuff. But yeah, some of my favorite cuts in Final Cut Pro are my L cuts and my basically L cuts and J cuts. Basically where you drag example of an L cut. Another cut I like to use is the jump cut. It's basically where you press Command B, Command B, Command B, Command B, and then select the clip in between your two Command Bs. So much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below, as it really means a lot. So yeah, without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.